What is mitosis? Mitosis is a process in which a cell divides into two daughter cells. Both the daughter cells which are produced from the mother cell or from the parent cell, they are identical to the mother cell. This process is seen in some haploid cells as well as in some diploid cells. Mitosis produces two cells from one cell. Both cells, they are identical to the mother cell. Here we can see the diagram where a single cell has been shown with its cytoplasm and its DNA. This is the cytoplasm of this cell and this is the DNA or the genetic material of this cell. This cell, as a process of or as a result of mitosis, converts into two cells. The two cells which are produced from the parent cell, they are genetically identical to the parent cell. So we can say that mitosis is a process that divides a single cell into two cells. The two cells which are produced from the parent cell, genetically both cells, they are identical to the parent cell. Before the process of mitosis, DNA replicates. It produces its copies and one chromosome is converted into two chromosomes which are attached with the centromere. They are called as sister chromatids. During the mitosis, the sister chromatids, they separate from each other. So the term is used non-replicated chromosome and replicated chromosome. In this diagram, we can see the mitosis in case of haploid cell as well as in case of diploid cell. In case of haploid cell, they have single copy. Cell has a single copy of DNA or the genetic material. That cell is converted into two daughter cells and both the daughter cells, they have single copy of the DNA or of the chromosome. So mitosis can happen in the haploid cells where the parent cell is converted into two daughter cells. Mitosis can also be seen in the diploid cells. This is the example of a diploid cell. Diploid cell is converted into two daughter cells. As a result of mitosis, both the daughter cells which are produced is also 2n. It is called as diploid cell. So mitosis is a process that can happen in the haploid cells and mitosis can also happen in the diploid cells. Mitosis is a cell division that divides a single cell into two cells. The two cells which are produced from a single cell, they are genetically identical to the parent cell.